Straight lines, part 11.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of two lines and whose distance from the point 2, minus 1 is 2. So, see here. So, these are the given equations. Okay. So, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Here you need to find the equation of the line. So clearly that line passing through the point of intersection of two lines. Okay. So you need to find this equation. Okay. And whose distance from 2, minus 1 is 2. Okay. So distance from 2, minus 1 to this line is 2 units. Then find this equation. Okay. So see here given lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equals to 0. 2x plus 5y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So here you know that the equation of line passing through point of intersection of 1 and 2 is what? L1 plus lambda L2 is equals to 0. So L1 is the first line and L2 is the second line. So see here that is 3x plus 2y plus 4 plus lambda into 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equals to 0. So here x is common. What you get? 3 plus 2 lambda of x plus y is common. What you get? 2 plus 5 lambda of y plus 4 minus lambda equals to 0. Okay. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So this is what required straight line. But this straight line is at a distance 2 units from the point 2, minus 1. So see here, the perpendicular distance from 2, minus 1 to equation 4 is 2 units. So what is that formula? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. It is given 2 units. So this is x1 y1 and this is a x plus by plus c equals to 0. So comparing with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here what you get? A value 3 plus 2 lambda. So substitute here ax1. So 3 plus 2 lambda into 2. See here 2 into 3 plus 2 lambda. Next by1. So minus 1 into this one. So minus of 2 plus 5 lambda. Next 4 minus lambda plus c. So plus c, that is plus 4 minus lambda. So mod divide by square root of a square plus b square, that is 3 plus 2 lambda whole square plus 2 plus 5 lambda whole square is equals to 2. Now solving this, what you get? 2 into 2, 4 lambda minus 5 lambda. So minus lambda minus 2 lambda. Next 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2, 8 plus 8 divide by this one. So see here, this is 9 plus 4 lambda square plus 12 lambda plus 4 plus 25 lambda square plus 20 lambda is equals to 2. Okay. So here 2 is common. What you get? So minus 2 is common. You will get lambda minus 4. So divide by square root of 25 plus 4, 29 lambda square. Next 20 lambda plus 12 lambda, that is 32 lambda. 9 plus 4 plus 13 is equals to 2. So 2 get cancelled. Now squaring on both sides. Okay. So here what you get? Lambda minus 4 whole square. This is equals to this one. 29 lambda square plus 32 lambda plus 13. So this is what? Lambda square plus 16 minus light lambda is equals to 29 lambda square plus 32 lambda plus 13. So 29 minus lambda square. See here, 29 lambda square minus lambda square. 28 lambda square. 32 plus 8. 40 lambda. 13 minus 16. So minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. See here, you need to find the factors here. So what are the factors? 28 lambda square plus 42 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 3 is equals to 0. So see here 14 lambda is common, you will get 2 lambda plus 3 minus 1 is common, 2 lambda plus 3 is equals to 0. So 2 lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 3 is common. So what you get? 14 lambda minus 1 is equals to 0. So 1 is 2 lambda plus 3 is equals to 0. Next 14 lambda minus 1 is equals to 0. So clearly lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 1 by 14. So here two possibilities. So substitute lambda value in equation 3. Okay. So here first case, lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2. So substitute in equation 3, what you get? 3x plus 2y plus 4 minus 3 by 2 into this one, 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equals to 0. So cross multiplication, what you get? 6x plus 4y plus 8 minus 6x minus 15y plus 3 is equals to 0. So 6x get cancelled. Now 4y minus 15y, that is minus 11y plus 11 is equals to 0. So this is y minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the one of the equation. And second case, lambda is equals to 1 by 14. So substitute in equation 3. So what do you get? 3x plus 2y plus 4 plus 1 by 14 into 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equals to 0. So here 14 to 3, 42x plus 28y plus 56 plus 2x plus 5y minus 1 equals to 0. So 42 plus 2, 44x plus 33y plus 55 is equals to 0. So 11 is common, what you get? 4x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. So clearly these two are the required straight lines. So see the second one. Show that origin lies within the triangle whose angular points are given. So see here. So this is the triangle ABC. Okay. See here, origin lies inside the triangle. For example, this is the origin. Okay. So this is the triangle AOB area. This is triangle BOC area. This is triangle AOC area. So see here, area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle COA. If these two are equal, then we can say that origin lies within the triangle. So for that you need to find the area of the triangle ABC. So see here. So let A 2 comma 1, B 3 comma minus 2 and C minus 4 comma minus 1 are vertices of triangle ABC. Now find area. So area of triangle ABC. So what is that formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay. So clearly this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So substitute here, what you get? Half into x1, that is 2, y2 minus y3 minus 2 minus half minus 1, you will get plus 1, plus x2 3 into y3 minus y1, so minus 1 minus 1, plus x3, that is minus 4 into y1 minus y2, so 1 minus half minus 2, you will get 1 plus 2. So this is 1 by 2 into minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 3 into 4 minus 12. So this is 12 plus 6, 18, 20 by 2, you will get 10 square units. This is the area of the triangle ABC. Next find area of triangle AOB. So for that, A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So clearly A point is 2 comma 1 and B point is 3 comma minus 2. So therefore area is what? Half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1. So this is half into x1 y2. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus x2 y1, 3 into 1 3. So this is 7 by 2 square units. Okay. Next find area of triangle BOC. So see here next area of triangle BOC. So for that B is x1 y1. See here B 3 comma minus 2 is x1 y1 and C minus 4 comma minus 1 is x2 y2. Okay. So what is the formula? Of x1 y2 minus x2 y1, that is 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 8. So what you get? 11 by 2 square units. Next one, last one, area of triangle AOC. So for that A is x1 y1, so 2 comma 1 is x1 y1 and C minus 4 comma minus 1 is x2 y2. So again apply same formula, this one only. So that is half into x1 y2, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus x2 y1. So what is that? Minus 4 into 1 plus 4. So 2 by 2, you will get 1. Okay. So here therefore area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. So what you get? 7 by 2 plus 11 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So 11 plus 7, 18 by 2, 9 plus 1, 10 square units. So therefore clearly total area equals to what? 10 square units. So therefore area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle AOB plus BOC plus AOC. So therefore from this we can say that the origin lies within the triangle. Okay. So see here like this. This is A, B, C. This is origin. So therefore total area equals to area of AOB plus area of BOC plus area of AOC. Okay. So see here third one. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the 1 comma 2. So see here, you need to find this equation of the straight line. The straight line passing through the point 1 comma 2. See here, and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line. So this straight line making an angle 60 degrees with the line is what? Root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. So clearly angle between two lines is what? 60 degrees. So see here, you know the slope of this line, and let slope of this line is some m2. So apply tan theta formula. Okay. So see here, given line root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0 and theta equal to 60 degrees, point 1 comma 2. Okay. Now what is the slope of this line? Slope of 1. This is equation 1. So clearly m1 is equal to minus a by b, that is minus root 3. So let m2 is equal to m be the slope of required line. Okay. See here, given angle between two lines is 60 degrees. So then tan theta is equal to what? Modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So theta equal to 60 degrees. Therefore tan 60 is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2. So minus root 3 minus m divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So minus root 3 into m. So minus root 3 m. So tan 60 value root 3. Here minus is common, you will get modulus of root 3 plus m by 1 minus root 3. So remove mod, what you get? Root 3 plus m by 1 minus root 3m is equal to plus or minus root 3. So here are two possibilities. So first possibility, root 3 plus m by 1 minus root 3m is equal to plus root 3. Now this is what? Root 3 plus m is equal to root 3 into 1. Root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, 3m. So root 3 get cancelled, m is equal to 0. So this is first case. And second case, root 3 plus m by 1 minus root 3m is equal to minus root 3. So this is what? Root 3 plus m is equal to minus root 3 plus 3m. Root 3 plus root 3. 2 root 3 is equals to 2m. So clearly m is equals to root 3. So clearly so therefore this line having the slopes 0 and root 3 and passing through the point 1 comma 2. So here we have to use slope point form. So see here, therefore the required line passing through 1 comma 2, this is x1 y1, and slope m is equal to 0 and root 3 is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So first case, m is equal to 0. So clearly what you get? Y minus 2 is equal to 0 into x minus 1. So y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is one of the equation of straight line. And case 2. So what is m value? Root 3. So substitute here, what you get? Y minus 2 is equal to root 3 into x minus 1. Okay. So this is another straight line equation. So these are the required straight line equations. So here fourth question, find the equation of straight line passing through the point and making an angle 45 degrees with this line. Okay. So clearly this is similar to third question. Okay. So try to solve fourth question. So now we will discuss few 4 marks problems. See the first one. Find the value of k if the angle between two lines is 45 degrees. So these are the required lines. Here angle between two lines is 45 degrees is given. Okay. So you need to find the value of k. So see our solution. Given lines 4xy plus 7 equals to 0. This is equation 1. And kx minus 5y minus 9 equals to 0. This is equation 2. So find the slopes of the two lines and apply tan theta. That is the angle between two lines is theta. Then tan theta is what? Modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So see here clearly slope of 1. So m1 is equals to what? Minus a by b. That is minus 4 by minus 1. You will get 4. Next, slope of 2. m2. So what is that? Minus a by b. So minus k by minus 5. That is k by 5. So angle between 1 and 2 is theta. That is 45 degrees. Then tan theta is equals to what? Modulus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So theta is 45. So tan 45 is equals to modulus of m1 4 minus m2, that is k by 5 by 1 plus 4k by 5. So tan 45 value is 1. So this is 20 minus k. So divide by 5 plus 4k. So here are two possibilities. So remove mod, you will get 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k is equal to plus or minus 1. So first one 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k is equals to 1. And second one 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k is equal to minus 1. So this is 20 minus k is equal to 5 plus 4k. Now 20 minus 5, 15 is equal to 5k. Okay. So clearly k is equal to what? 3. And here 20 minus k is equal to minus 5 minus 4k. So this is 3k is equal to minus 25. So k is equal to minus 25 by 3. So these are the values of k. Okay. So try to solve second question. So this is similar to first question. So for next session we will discuss more problems.